you find a website where you can get more eyes on your YouTube videos without spending a dime on ads? Imagine tapping into a platform where millions of people are already asking questions about topic you are passionate about, or topics you've probably made a video about and you've posted it in your YouTube channel or any of your other social media platforms. And this platform I'm talking about is called Quora. This site has been around since 2009, and you probably already use it to find answers to some of your questions. You go to the platform, you see a question that you think you can answer or you have knowledge about, you answer that question. The more people get to see your answer and they are okay, there's a likelihood that they will click the link under that answer and they will watch your YouTube video or any platform you posted your video on to know more or to want to know more about that topic. Which is why on this platform, when you want to answer questions, you give the honest and truth answer. And did you also know that you can use Quora for keyword research? By exploring questions and discussion related to your niche, you can identify popular topics, common questions people are asking, and trending keywords that people are actively searching for. Now, this can help you tailor your YouTube content to address these topics, improving your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more viewers to watch your videos on any of your platforms. This video is going to walk you through how you can set up a Quora account, find trending topics that can boost your visibility, and craft answers that not only provide value but drive traffic to your videos. Plus, I will share tips on how to make your answers rank higher, enhancing both your channel and video visibility. If you skip any part of this video, then I'm sorry, you might miss out on some important tips. So stay tuned and follow to the end. Now open your browser and you are going to search for Quora.com. Click enter. The first link you are seeing right here, click on it. And you're going to sign in using either your Google account, your Facebook, or you can sign in using your email. Then you create password for it. That one is too long for me, but I'll go with using my Google account. Now go ahead and fill in all your informations. Select the Google account you want to use and you click on continue. And here this page is going to open up and you are going to start selecting your area of interest, just the way I'm selecting everything I want. Then you click on done. This is the interface of this Quora platform. You can see it's looking more like Facebook, kind of. You can see different questions people are asking, which if you have the knowledge of it or you have made a video about it, which you can answer these questions and then link that video to it. But let me quickly walk you through the interface. This is your home tab and this is where you will see all the people you are following. If you click on it, I'm not following anybody right now. That is why we are not seeing anything. Now, this next view will take you to the page where you can answer any question. You can click on it or you click on this answer and you answer the question you want to respond to. And under this space, these are different spaces. Space is like a community. You create your own community where people can connect with you. If you want to create your space, click here to create your space, and then you click here to discover more spaces or your area of interest. And this is where you can see all your notifications. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is to edit my profile because I want to appear professional. Click on this little icon to your right. And if you want to edit your name, this is where you can edit your name. I want to add what I do to my profile credentials. So aside from my name, people also have an idea of what I do. So you click on add profile credentials. I'm going to enter what I do here. Then I'll write digital content creation, YouTuber, and social media manager. And once you are done writing everything, you are going to click on, because my space is limited, they didn't allow me to finish the social media manager stuff because you can only enter 25 words. So I will leave it at digital content creator and YouTuber, and then you click on save. You can see your credentials have been updated. Now the next part is adding your educational credentials. It's optional, you don't have to, but if you want to, just click on educational credential and you fill in all these informations here. Once you are done, click on save. And if you want to add location credential, also click on this and then you add your location and you click on save. But I don't want to do all that because of security purposes. The next thing I want to do is to change my profile picture. I want people to see that I'm a human, I'm not a robot. That way I'm building trust for whoever is going to connect with me. Click on this icon and you're going to select the picture you want as your profile picture, and you can see my profile picture has been updated. Next thing I want to do is to write a short description about myself. Give people a little insight, not even a little insight, give people insight into what you do. You click on it to write a description about yourself. I'm going to copy everything I've written about myself and I will paste it here. I already have it written down. If you want to add image, click on this and you are going to go ahead and add this image, and you scroll down and you will now click on update. Now, after updating your credentials, you feel like you want to change anything on what you've posted. Ordinarily, you see these edits you are seeing here, you will not see it. It's not showing except you hover over here before you'll be able to see it. So you click on this edit. So I'll just click on this backspace on my system and the image is going to be deleted. And now, once you are done with all your adjustments, all you need to do is you click on update. There is something that is very important that we need to do, which is under this knows about. This is where you will select the type of questions you want Quora to be showing you. Click on this know about. They say topics you know about. They be comprehensive and specific as possible to get the most relevant question. If you are into a food or fashion brand or anything, you have to put things that are related to what you do. Inside this box, this text box is where I'm going to write things I love, topics I'm interested in, and I want topics I want them to send me questions about. Go ahead and do yours. Once you start typing, they're going to suggest topics for you, and you can just click on the one that has plenty followers because people are mostly engaging with topics like that. You click on this clear, you enter another topic, do the same thing till you achieve everything you want. Once you are done with everything, just click on this cancel icon. If you refresh your feed now, they are only going to be showing you questions or answers related to those topics you've selected. Now, if you want to ask your own questions, you click on this ask, and from here you can see tips on getting good answers quickly. You have to make sure question has not been asked already. Keep your questions short and to the point. Double check grammar, spelling. Once all these are put in place, under this drop down arrow, and you're going to set it to public if your own is set as limited, and you're now going to paste your question here. So I think I can go ahead. I'll click on add question. So let's assume you want to create a post. You will click on this create post, and I'm going to paste this same question I asked now. I will paste it here. So I will copy my answer and I will paste it. You can click on this icon to add image if you have like a flyer to give more information. Since I do not have a flyer, I'm going to cancel it. Once you are done, click on post. If you are looking for a question to answer, you can click on this answer. You find any question you feel like you can answer, and you want to save the questions for later. Like this one, how can I create a content that will go viral on YouTube? You see these three dotted lines and you're going to see answer later. So you can always come back to answer this question. So now let's assume I've found the question I want to answer, which is what free editing software would you recommend for using? This person is asking about video editing software they can use to edit their YouTube videos. I like this question because I've made a video about it. So I will click on this question, and you are now going to click here to continue writing, and this page is going to pop up. Now I'm going to copy my answer and paste it here. The next thing I want to do is adding of the YouTube video link. I will open my browser and go to my channel. This is the particular video I'm talking about. Share link, copy the link. I'll come back here and I will write this text here. You can also check out this full tutorial on how to use any video editing software application on my YouTube channel. Remember, spelling is very important, so always adjust your spelling. Then I will paste the video link here. So anybody that come across this answer, they are definitely going to click my video to go and watch how they can use these video editors. And once you are done, click on post. The next thing I want to talk about is how can you search for trending topic in your niche for you to create video about. If you look at this search bar, you can easily search for any questions here, and you can see all the question suggestions that pop up, which is very okay. It's the fastest and easiest way. But there's another way which you can see how many people are actually asking or engaging with these questions in a day, which is what I'm going to show you. Click on your image icon, click on create ad. You are not creating any advert, you are not paying any money. This is just a way for us to access some trending topics. Enter all the necessary information. Go ahead and write your contact email. and you click on next. Now, what is your business name? I'm just going to write my business name here. Now I've scrolled, and since I can't find any digital stuff, I'm just going to click on job and education, because my channel is all about educating people anyway, so that will still work. Then my billing region, I will select my country, which is Nigeria. Under this business website link, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I will copy my YouTube channel link, go back here and paste it. Then you click on start advertising, and go ahead and now click on new campaign. You are going to give your campaign a name. Click on traffic, scroll down, and you are going to change this from topics to questions. Click on bulk ad. Search for questions using keywords. You cannot just type a question on how to grow my YouTube channel, then you have to enter it by keyword. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and enter my keywords and click on continue. These are all questions targeted to this particular keyword. How much can you make on YouTube? 1,000 to 2,000 people asked and engaged with this question weekly, and this is a very good one for a YouTuber like me to make a video on this particular topic. Come to this site to answer this question here. Then you can see, if you check other questions, someone say, what video editing software do YouTubers use? That was the question I answered earlier. 350 to 500 people are engaging with this question weekly, which is a very good one. These are different questions that as a YouTuber I can make a video about to boost my visibility. And once you find any question you feel like you want to answer, like this particular question that said, how can I get more YouTube subscribers? So I will click on it, click on answer. Now I'm going to copy this question, open ChatGPT, and you're going to paste this question in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to help you to answer this question. Copy the answer, go to your notepad or your Microsoft Word and paste the answer here. Now, one thing you don't want to do is to copy the answer straight from ChatGPT and go and paste it on Quora. It's against their terms and conditions. If not, they are going to detect it and your account is going to be banned. And then you are going to adjust it to look like human response. I'm going to adjust mine now. This is one I've adjusted using my own words, and this is the one ChatGPT gave me. I will copy this entire answer that I've adjusted and come here, paste it right here. I'll go to my YouTube channel and I will copy the particular video that talk about this topic. I'll paste the link here and I will add little additional information, and we're going to click on post. There's this thing called upvote. Upvote is like and dislike. Now, the more people engage with your content, the more visibility you are going to get. Now, one of the things you can do to boost your visibility is to tell your family and friends to also create accounts on this Quora, so that way when you post anything, they can come and engage with it. They can come and give you an upvote. So it's not as if immediately you post it, they should start engaging. No, once one can engage today, another person can engage in the next 2 hours, the next 3 hours. Just give it that interval so it's not looking fake. And that is how you can create accounts and search for topics and also promote your other content on Quora. Please let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful, or if you have a question regarding this platform or any other thing you want me to talk about. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share to help someone. Until next time, bye for now.